Damn. It's nice out here. Look at that warship way out there. Yeah. It's pretty cool, man. I might move out here. That's funny. So yeah, I'm here in San Diego in a Target, and it's right near SeaWorld, the Target around SeaWorld by the airport, and we're gonna do a little bit of hunting here. First thing that I see right out the corner, and I don't have this one, is the Hyper Sport Lichen from number 7. So definitely gonna get this one. They also got, which I already have this collection right here, pretty much almost completed. And then look, the difference between the packages. This one's the new package with the car facing left ways, and then this is the old package. It still has the jade on it, and the car's facing the right ways, but pretty identical cars. I don't find no even the wheels are the same, no significant like differences or whatever. They both got the NOS tanks in the back. There's a GTR and then a Ford GT. I already picked them up. The only one I was missing was this, man, and I just seen it right out the corner. And it's just me. Sam didn't come on this trip, man. Let's see here. Yeah, I guess you could say I'm on vacation or whatever. Boom, look at that, man. We're missing one, exactly one. Holy crap. I think somebody was here. We're also missing one of them. Yeah, somebody was here, looked like, man. Because some of these good ones are like kind of picked at. And we were going through our inventory the other day. We were also missing one of this Cadillac El Mirage. So these are the throwbacks, $1.49 for these. But yeah. So look like Target has some pretty cool stuff now. Moving on to the Hot Wheels. I never seen this, man. Z-Rod, not in this color at least. Yeah, I don't think so. But nope. Here's a really cool one. When there's dump bins at Walmart, they try to get this a lot. Like the first one they get is this. It is pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Oh dang, man, look at that. A black shark bite. Man. I seen this in different colors, but not in this color. I think I seen it in a blue and a red. I'm not even sure, but I know I haven't seen it in black like that. Also, another one I haven't seen is a purple Pollinator. Maybe I have, but no, actually I haven't, because this is a H case. There you go, H, that last letter. Damn, man. The last one I think was orange. So definitely gonna add that to the little pile. Look at this thing, man. $12.99 though. I don't think it's on the right peg, because Team Transport is a different thing, unless they classifies these as Team Transports, but I don't think so. There's a red bone shaker with the number 3 on it. Let's see here, man. So one of these Florida crocodiles right here. That's what Sam calls these, the Florida Crocs. For all you Florida fans out there getting eaten by gators. Nothing really cool, man. There's a tricycle. I'm not even sure what the right name for this. Bladis modus. Yeah, cool. Orange Jeep. But if you guys haven't seen, oh whoops, that's the wrong one. Or Land Rover, I mean. The orange camo. That's a F. Yeah. Trying to look. What the heck? This must be new for H. Yeah, new. Yeah. Yeah. Not sure what that is, but and Cadillac. So if you missed this on the F, oh, this is a F. Never mind. I was gonna say, if you missed it, you probably get it on the H. Oh, dang. Something cool. The silver wheelie. This is new for this color. Man. Oh, they better not get my package. My haul, I mean. I'll try to hurry up. But I want to show you guys all these, man. This is an H for sure. Because I haven't seen that. Let's go a little bit quick. Just a little bit. Look at that. It looked like a scorpion. Yeah, that one's pretty cool. Alright. Look like they put all the H down here. All the fantasy stuff. See, this is the regular wheel, which is green. I'm still debating on this. We'll leave it up there for now while I debate in my head. This one's cool, little white color variation on the Too Tough. But nah, and then heavy hitcher. I'm sure you guys seen this. Pretty cool. I like it. That blue thing has like a play action. Just goes up and down to tow some stuff away. But nah, we're gonna peg all these back up. Another color variation on this. Damn. Let's see here. I think this is a new one too. Cause I seen the red one. At the. I got it open, I think. But all the other ones, I don't know. I like the chrome. But I don't know if I want to spend the $5 just for the chrome. You know what I'm saying? I don't even have to say it. You guys know what I mean. That one's cool, man. I like that. Oh, Sam's gonna like this. He'd probably say, yeah, man, gotta switch out the wheels. Something like that. Shoot. Yeah, no, nothing else for so that's it. That's the haul. This bad boy right here, the 3 throwbacks, and a purple Pollinator and a chrome wheelie chair. So while I'm out here in San Diego, man, I might stop at another store. Oh damn, look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. So I might stop at another one and I'll post it. So stay tuned, guys. Hey, what's up? I came down here to Legoland. Check out this sweet little ride. The Porsche right here. Oh dang. This is the one that's gonna make me be into Legos. And there's this Corvette down here. It looked like a Transformer. Yeah. Where's that one at? Oh, I said this is a Bugatti.
This is
Yeah, from the 007.
Look at this one. There's
And then there's these ones right here, 119. Damn, and that wasn't enough. Ahí está otro. London right here. ¿Este qué es? Un garage?
Yeah. No, it's a gas.
Oh, gas station. Yeah. Dang, man. Mira el windmill.
What's this one?
This is Taj Mahal. Mira. Taj Mahal.
Look at this. You can just pull it back in the front. Pull back. Here's the one.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Some pullbacks. Y las lanchitas. And a big old Mustang. 149 for the big one. Este 14 for the little one. Yeah, está chingón. Este McLaren. Yeah. But if I find the bugs and small, I'll get those, man. Pero está más barato. Yeah.
What about this one?
Ford Mustang, no?
Look at this one. It comes with like 2 cars.
For 100? Man. But it come with 3 cars. Yeah. McLaren Senna 14. Pretty cool.